we're back at it again. Here we go. Rainy weather. But at least it's alright. You know, warm, humid, beautiful. But the one thing is, I'm gonna go for a swim. I don't know where to jump in. Ellie's up there. Okay. Homeboy. Yeah, it's my boy. Yep. Alright, so we're back at it again. Going through. One more dive. Going in. Oh, fucked my back last time. Yeah, I just fucked my back. Where are ya? Going in slowly this time. Oh, this one's way colder. That was interesting. Slipped in, fucked my back. But anyways. So I just saw a sign that said that there's crocodiles on the beach. Let's check it out.
slow. And alright. Wouldn't taste us, yeah, yeah, yeah. But to get high. Forget my name. What was it slow to say? Complicated. Oh, I forget my name. Oh, I forget my name. Was it slow to say? Complicated. Oh, I forget my name. I drink the venom to release the pain. Chain smoking, I suffocated. We be wearing the beast untamed. Sticky, 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 sticky. Don't forget tonight.
Yeah. Cold? Very cold. Woo! Very cold. No crocodiles? Oh, they're kind of strong, kind of. Oh, yeah, we're going to just let go. Woo! Woo! Nice! Nice, nice.
Little bit.
Thanks, fella.
Thanks, man. Have a good trip, boys.
Scenic Rocks. Welcome to Queensland. Tropical North Queensland. No crocodiles. Perfect place for a crocodile to be though. Cheers.
You know I love you so. You know I love you so. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you.
Rainforest. Shit.